Welcome to the Phone Transformer. In today's video, we'll show you how to change the battery indicator or icon on Android. Let's get started. Step 1. First, open the Settings app on your Android phone. You can find it either on your home screen or in the app drawer. Just give it a tap to open. Step 2. In the Settings menu, scroll down until you see the option called Notifications and Control Center. Tap on it to open the menu. This section is where you'll find most of the customization settings for your notifications and status bar. Step 3. Once you're in the menu, scroll down and look for the status bar option. Tap on it, and you'll see a list of settings related to your status bar, including notifications, icons, and of course, the battery indicator. Step 4. Now, look for the battery indicator option and tap on it to proceed. Here, you'll be able to change how your battery icon appears. Step 5. Within this menu, you will see multiple battery indicator styles to choose from. Take a moment to check them out and select the one that suits you best. For example, you might prefer the middle battery icon for a more minimal look. Just tap on your choice, and your battery indicator will be updated instantly. And that's it. You've successfully changed the battery indicator or icon on your Android device. Thanks for watching, and please subscribe to the channel.